Hello, my design and decor lovers. Thanks for stopping by Bella Events and Interiors YouTube channel. I really appreciate you. Please make sure that you subscribe if you haven't done that. But I just wanted to give you this quick tip for your Christmas arrangements. You can stop by any place that's cutting the fresh trees. Ask them for their branches that they trim off a tree. Most places give them to you for free, and you can use a pot that you already have. Add some ornaments that you already have. Pine cones, picks. You can even put branches in here if that's what you choose to do. I used some of this white snow spray that I picked up at one of the dollar stores, which you can use that as well. But I just wanted to stop and do this video and show you. It's at my front door, and you'll see a little while in this video. I'll show you exactly how it looks at the front of my door. But yeah, that's the spray that I was speaking of that I already had. I got it from a dollar store, one of the dollar stores. So yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know if you will try it. And thanks for stopping by Bella Events and Interiors.